Welcome back, guys. So now I have implemented a very basic skeleton of the code here, and we will replicate exactly the same scenario which I show you in my presentation. So I have created an order service which is running on port 3001, and this is the basic skeleton of the code. So we will subscribe the events from the inventory service, from the payment service, and we will change the status of the order accordingly. And then in the inventory service, we will listen the order and reserve the inventory according to the order, and then we will process the payment in the payment service, and on the basis of the payment is successfully processed or failed, we will compensate the transactions in rest of our other services. Let's build the understanding that how this choreography implementation is going to work. So we have three different microservices. One is the order service, other is the inventory service, and third one is the payment service. So once the order is created, then the initial status of the order will be in it, and it will send the message to the inventory service, and inventory service will reserve the inventory how it is asked in the order and send the message back to the order service, and the status of the order service will change from init to pending. And similarly, the inventory service will send the message to the payment service so that payment service could proceed with the payment. So if the payment successfully processed, then we will subtract the inventory from the inventory already stored, and we will change the status of the order from pending to confirm. So the vice versa case is, if the payment fails, we will restore the inventory in the inventory service, and we will mark the status of the order as cancelled or rejected. So you can see here that the state of each of the service is not maintaining in any central location. So it's up to us that how we are going to compensate the transactions in case of failure in the choreography pattern.